Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go.
He's fleeing. He's fleeing.
As y'all can see, we got a Scat Pack taking off on. I'm not even sure. What police department is this? I'm not sure at all. Shout out to LRH and Cash for the video. So the Scat Pack is putting a nasty gap on them, and they really just seem like they can't do much about it.
Southbound on
It's a stolen Scat Pack.
Woody coming up to the. We're right in front of the mall right now. He's gonna have a flat tire.
So he's got a flat.
Charlie 6, still on 150 over traffic. We're continuing on Ashford Dunway. 61 and 62 confirming your pursuit. Hey, from 62's with him. We're continuing southbound on Ashford Dunway. Coming up to Hammond.
Taking to it.
62, who do you have with you? I got myself.
That cop almost smacked out there.
We're getting on to 285 westbound. Code 61 check down. Go ahead and notify GSP. Also, let Cobb County know that we're going to be coming their way. In the 400 split. Speed's 90. Medium traffic.
GA 400. Is that some type of highway, freeway?
Speed's 120.
Y'all let me know down in the comments if I don't even know what police department this is. SSPD.
And yes, confirming 400 northbound. Speeds are over 100. Traffic's medium.
So the Challenger has a flat. He's still running though. So they're gonna go ahead and pit him out. Damn, that's violent.
Put your hands up now! Put your hands up now! Put them up! Put them
Damn,
up!
smacked up a nice Scatty Pack.
On the door! Open it! Open it now! Open it now! Show me your hand! Outside of the door! Grab the
If you guys don't know,
outside.
if the cops catch the bad guy, I clap it up for him. Eat a donut, you know how it goes.
Do not move until I tell you. Open that door with that one hand. Get out of the car slow. Keep those hands up.
Smash the like button for me,
Get
y'all.
out of the car. Get out of the car.
Subscribe if you want to check out some more police
Right hand
chases.
slow. Slow.
This is the show where I watch
Slow.
police chases.
Undo that seatbelt. Right back up with that right. Get that hand up. Get out now. Yep, you got hands. Get out now. Get out. Hands up. Hands up. Hands on top of your head. Face away from me. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Go ahead, Chase, take it. We got 2 occupants.
They acting so scary. I mean, he ran, you caught him.
Passenger, listen to me. Passenger, open your door and get out of the car.
Working on command for passenger. We got a driver in custody.
Okay, that's fine. Passenger, open your door. It won't open? Okay, see if you can crawl out on that side. Okay, keep your hands up. We're going to come to you.
I'll go hands on.
Okay, we're going to come to her. She's being cooperative. Okay.
You get her out, I'll go hands.
All right, doors, hold on.
Got it.
Yep.
Come in, out. She has to do that.
Yeah, okay.
Out.
Got a male and a female.
Detained right now, okay?
I'm gonna walk her back, make sure there's nobody else.
So he just got detained. Stolen Scat Pack. Wow. Yeah, they caught this guy. I mean, this is the type of luck you have when you stealing somebody's car. You feel me? I don't condone. I want to see the thieves get caught. But I mean, it's cool to see what they're going to try to do with police trailing them. You know what I mean? But anyways, let's clap it up for the police, man. I don't know what police it is, but good job. It's donut, bang. Yeah, this was a cold chase. It's quick. This driver did not have the wheel whatsoever. Wow. I gotta figure out what police department this is. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. It's JTSpeeds, and I am out. Peace.
Niggas really up, bitch. Yeah. Hey, nigga, where's the smasher? I just hit the bitch from the back. I'm the fucking passer. Hit the bitch, then I pulled her doonies down the fucking daster. Hit the bitch, then I pulled her doonies down the motherfucker. The way I fucked the bitch, yeah, she said.